Here are some ways to use this new platform, Threads, to grow your audience as a videographer and photographer. Threads has already been breaking records on just the amount of users and people that have been signing up in just a limited amount of time. So if you're not using this for your photography or videography business and trying to figure out how to elevate this already, you're going to be left behind when it becomes this big platform and everybody else knows how to use it, but you don't. So you need to make sure you jump on this and use it because you can scale your business with Threads. I'm really not going to go too deep in what Threads is, but I will tell you that it's kind of similar to Twitter. And the whole goal of it is to really just start conversation and be engaged with your following. In saying that, one of the ways you can use Threads to elevate your business is you can start posting your BTS and you can start getting your opinions on your clients. It also lets them see behind the scenes and all the different setup and the work that's put into this. So they're just gonna see how much hard work that you're putting. They're gonna be like, I want them. I wanna hire them. I want them to be the ones who do mine because I see how hard they're working to set up, how much equipment they have, and just everything behind the scenes, because that world can kind of be scary when you don't know. Like everybody is scared of the things that are unknown, and that's just like common human nature. So if you start using this as posting as BTS as a photographer or videographer, you also can get like opinions of other videographers and photographers. Like, I did this setup, so what should I change? And just different things like that. Another way you can use it as a videographer or photographer is just if you have writer's block or you just can't make a decision. So you can post, just different ideas on there that you have maybe of like the shoot. Like, oh, I have this idea of setting up this kind of summer shoot or this fall shoot, or should I put these, lily pads here or here, just different things like that to start conversation, see what people think. And it helps you out because you're going to get ideas. You're going to get different people's opinions, and you're going to get different people's ideas. You're just going to get a lot of stuff like that. You also can post maybe 2 photos and just like which one's better, just to give you an idea of what the mass thinks. More importantly, it really matters what you think ultimately, but you can get people's opinions, and it also just starts conversation, lets people see your work, and it just builds a relationship with your following. And same thing for video. You just get a still and just do the same thing, which look is better. You can also use Threads to post little stills or your thumbnails or whatever like that from your YouTube videos or any other video to get them to go watch this video. Click on this link, start conversation, what people would change about this video or what people would change about this photo. You can just put your cool photos and just start conversation. Threads is a way to let people see your behind the scenes, let them see your work, and let them feel involved so they have a purpose on your channel. And they feel like they need to be involved in everything that you say, and they feel like they need to click and just be commenting on almost everything you have. So you can have conversation, you can start building a relationship with your audience, and you start getting really good opinions from different people. You can also use this to start communities with like videographers and photographers, just sharing threads, sharing each other's threads, commenting on each other's stuff, helping each other out, and just different things like that. You can build these communities and just build your brand. Whatever your goal for Threads and your business is, Threads is a good way to do it. You can build your brand here, you can build your company, you can build a community, and there's so many other things that you can do. And this is gonna just start conversations and let you be more personal with the people. Let them be more personal with you so they become attached to your personality and just you as a person. There are so many people that probably just love the way that you are, and this is a good way to put yourself out there so they can see you and just more people get to you. Then you can learn how to use Threads and Instagram and Facebook just to the best of the ability. And you're gonna start building your brand, you're gonna build a community, they're gonna start following your Facebook, they're gonna start following your Instagram, your YouTube, and it's just gonna build your whole brand, company, whatever it is. So get on there, use it, and just try to figure it out. Lucky for you, Threads is actually in the beginning process right now, so they don't have a lot of promotions or ads, and I don't think they have any really right now. So this is a good time to get on there because the people who follow you are gonna see your videos more likely because it's popping up and it's not popping up ads or anything like that. So get on there, build a following, build your brand, build your company, whatever you wanna do, just get on there and do it. I will be putting my threads in the link in the description, and I want you to put your threads in the comment section also. I'd love to follow y'all, create a community, and just learn together how we can use Threads to the best of the ability. Make sure you subscribe also, because depending on the data and different things I learned from Threads, I might be making another video, and I also will probably feature some of the comments below that are helpful to me and that I feel like are helpful to others. If you plan on traveling soon, make sure you click on this video, because that is a video where I talk about the things I learned that could save you money as a videographer or photographer traveling.